How to remove Gamma watermark. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's video is about how you can remove your Gamma's watermark. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Gamma. After you open up your Gamma, download your presentation. So open up your document. Then on the top right, you will find the three dots. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll find the export option. Tap on export. After you tap on export, you'll find multiple options. If you scroll down, you will find an option that says hide made with Gamma badge. Enable that. You will need the plus subscription for it. And after you enable that and then download it, you will then be able to remove the watermark, or it will be downloaded even without removing it. The other option is by downloading this as a PDF. After you download it as a PDF, head over to Canva. Open up canva.com and log in into your account. From here, choose the presentation option. After you choose the presentation option, it will redirect you to another tab where you can begin your presentation. All you have to do is drag and drop your PDF. And after you drag and drop your PDF, it will start getting uploaded to your Canva. After the upload is complete, tap on this, select the PDF. Then after you click on the PDF, you can then apply all the pages. And after you apply all of the pages here, double tap on made with Gamma. Then you can press on the backspace button and the Gamma made with Gamma will get removed. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.